Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 12R, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Somewhere between here you should have your screen recording toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional page where it appears that the toggle is located for me. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will ask us for access to a couple different things like record audio. So get started. Starts the countdown. As you can see, to stop it, you're just going to click right here on this pop-up that was visible in our status bar and then click Done, which will automatically save our screen recording. Now, I did open up Netflix as one of the things because it comes as dog shit that it is. It comes pre-installed also on your device, and I do want to just completely dumpster it for the fact that it comes pre-installed with your device, yet it basically, decides to work how it wants to. So most applications, I think actually all applications that come pre-installed with the device don't have anything that will tell you, no, you can't use it this way on your brand new device because this device isn't yours. But Netflix is a special snowflake, which if we go into our library under photos and then to, let's see, screenshots. Yep, it looks like it's located in screenshots. And you play it back, you will see that Netflix is one of those absolute abhorrent applications that just completely blocks screen recording. It uses this feature that is on Android that is designed for privacy purposes and security that is most commonly used by bank applications, for instance, not dog shit like this. So as you can see, that's basically all you had, a fully black screen. This is where we had some content images visible, and even though we weren't logged in to the application and we never agreed to the terms of service, Netflix decides to do whatever it wants and completely blocks your screen recorder, even though technically should not, if I'm correct, because we never agreed to the terms of service. But like I said, it's a special hunk of crap that comes pre-installed with your device. So yeah, if you ever encounter such a screen recording where it just presents you with a fully black screen, just know that whatever application you were trying to record decided, no, you're not going to record it, and go F yourself because you have no control over it. And that is basically the gist of it. We don't have any control over that, so if you ever encounter such a thing, just know you can't do anything about it. Even though you never gave that permission to the application itself whatsoever. So yeah. Now, that being said, most applications you can record no problem. It's just things like this, streaming applications that do this, and also bank applications most certainly do this, as far as I know. There will be occasional applications that also utilize this that don't fall under the two categories, banks or streaming, but there is no a rule to it, so once you find it, you just know that you can't. In any case, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.